Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to Pham's Legend channel. Car dealership name is Pham Motorsport. Please hit like, share and subscribe this channel. Today I'm gonna show you this EK hatchback yellow right here. It's H22. This H2b swap, so H22 motor and B series transmission. So the owner bring it here for us to do a lot of fixing, wiring off. Trying to do the transmission review here is a B series, B year. B16. B16. Training. Now we short some wire out. Put everything back together already, the fender, bumper, headlight and side skirt go around, and we haven't put the hood on yet because we have to do more of the wiring and put some stuff back and ready to tune. We take everything apart, and there's a lot of missing bolts, so we have to find a lot of bolts so we can put it back. You see everything's laid around here. This on the timing belt and water pump side. Continue to do this, and so today we're gonna wrap it up and put everything together and start it up to see what happened. Two, I'm gonna team up right now, right? ga. Rồi, tắt đi. Đợi chút đi. Nãy nó rồi phải đập ga hoài luôn á, phải đập lắc lên đề cho. No compression. Pick it up. We found the first one is a piston ring, so we're gonna try the rest. See what happened. Crank it up. Who machine the block? You hold it. Okay, crank it. Let's see the number. Don't move nothing. Next one up. Nope. Okay, last one.
Cái đầu thì
So now we have to check out the valve cover to see anything wrong with the head, valve. Oh shit. It's about to. Yeah, no, không thấy. There's a grommet somewhere, but we have to find it first before we crank it up.
push it back and see if it's underneath.
Start time, guys. Gas đi. Gas á. Sao nghe gì lắc lắc lắc
đây
vậy?
đây
injector. See. Good. It was messed up, so we have to put it back. And now it's time, real time.
Phải.
Okay. Again.
Rồi đây ơi.
Have to use a quick start, see what happens. Dừng nó pop rồi nó pop vô mặt.
Rồi.
Rồi. Let me walk around one last time to see everything put back together, like tires, rim, motor, and still not start yet, but we're gonna try our best to figure out what's the issue, you know. So right now I have fuel, spark, and a little bit of compression, but this is a freshly built motor, and the owner built it by himself, not us. We just do we rebuild the transmission for him, but he the one who put everything back. We do the wiring for him, so if it start, we're gonna do a tuning for him to see how this car run, and later we're gonna repaint it to make it look nice. We put everything together and we're trying to crank up, and the car trying to start, but at first we got no compression at all, but we adjust the valve, so now we got compression, and we have to figure out the spark, the fuel, and maybe change the spark plug again to see, because the spark plug is foul already because it's been flooded. And I'm gonna end this video right now, and we're gonna make it to start and do the next video. So please subscribe, comment, and what you think about this car. Is supposed to be hatchback SIEK 9 type R clone, so that's why it's yellow, you know. And the owner very patient to wait to see this thing running, and right now we got some issues, so we have to fix it. So peace, see you next video. Thank you.